In this video, we're going to show you how to assign tasks in Salesforce step by step so you can keep your team organized and ensure nothing falls through the cracks. Stick with us till the end because we'll share an exclusive bonus offer that you won't want to miss. And remember, you can use Salesforce for free through the first link below. Let's get started. The first thing you'll want to do is log into your Salesforce account. Once you're inside, head over to the Tasks tab. This is where you can see all of your tasks in one place, whether they are pending, completed, or assigned to someone else. Next thing, click on the New Task button, which is usually located at the top right of your screen. This will open up a task creation form. Here, you'll need to enter the details for the task you want to assign. This includes the task name, a description, and the due date. Now, the next step is key: assign the task to someone. In the Assign To field, you can search for the user by their name or role. This ensures the task goes directly to the right person on your team. The fourth thing is to set the priority of the task. Salesforce lets you choose from different priority levels like low, medium, and high. Setting the right priority helps your team understand which tasks need immediate attention and which can wait. After assigning the task, it's important to track it. You can check on the task's progress by going back to the Tasks tab and seeing whether it's marked as in progress or completed. Salesforce offers options to update the task status as you go along, keeping everyone in the loop. Now, let's talk about task reminders. Salesforce lets you set reminders for any task. This means the person assigned will get an email notification or a pop-up alert to remind them about the task's due date, ensuring nothing gets missed. Finally, when the task is complete, make sure to mark it as such. This helps you keep a clean record of all your completed tasks and ensures nothing stays open longer than necessary. And here's the best part: you can use Salesforce completely for free from the link below. Plus, if you act now, we're offering an exclusive bonus to make your experience even smoother. It's a special, extended free trial you won't find anywhere else. If you're serious about streamlining your workflow and managing tasks efficiently, make sure to take advantage of that offer. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.